In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about bisected angles. So if we have a problem like this that says if angle ABC is bisected to form two angles, two new angles, what is the measure of each new angle? And angle ABC equals 22.2 degrees. So here is our angle ABC, okay? And it is equal to 22.2 degrees. That's the measure of that angle. So if we have a bisected angle, it's bisected right in the middle, we have this arm called D, okay? A bisected angle is divided into two congruent angles, and congruent means two equal angles. So now this angle has been bisected into two equal pieces. So to find the measure of the new angle, angle ABD and angle DBC, here's ABD and here's DBC, so this angle and this angle, we divide the original angle by 2. So that's how you find the new angle. So we'll take 22.2 divided by 2, and we know that equals 11.1. So each of these angles is equal to 11.1. So the measure of each new angle is 11.1 degrees. And that's all there is to that. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away, you could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. If you need extra help, you could check those out. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.